Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, what do you notice in the chart? We have opened USD JPY pair. There is a trend line which was a support area. Every time the market is making a reversal and it's a major area. Finally, if you notice, there we have taken trade where exact the market has been closed at the level. Okay. Here if you notice, overall trend looks like uptrend. Okay, as of now the market has entered into a support area, which means a buyer's area. Okay, so we can go confidently with buyers. You may say there is strong momentum, still why you went for buyers? Yeah, if you notice one thing, here the level is also strong, and second thing, if you notice, okay, let me complete the trade. Here we got win. What is the next candle now? If you check here clearly, the level is too strong. So at least can't you expect one more candle? Yes, I will go with one more candle. Why? Because I have three reasons mainly. First of all, the support level is a strong level. Second thing, you have a momentum. But if you notice the last red candle, which looks like a exhaustion candle, in previous two candles are weak. All of a sudden you got a selling pressure instantly. So the sellers have been exhausted and closed exact at the buyer's level. So all of a sudden you got a buying candle. So at least you can expect easily buyers from here. Okay. So whenever you are trading, try to check the trades whether there is a level or not, because level make strong confidence while trading. Okay. Always try to trade the levels. Okay, here if you notice, finally we got win. And now what is the next candle? I have 2 points here. One, after momentum I can easily go with sellers, and second thing, if you notice here I have a level, so at least for one candle I can go with sellers here confidently. Okay, let me get any entry point, whether maybe the sellers are getting stronger. Okay, I have taken late entry, but maximum the sellers will push to the next level, which means the support level, which was the previous one. Okay, so whenever you are trading, try to take margin of safety, and second thing, try to check the levels. Don't go for every candle. If you go for every candle, sometimes you may win, sometimes you may lose. So try to trade at the levels which will be more confidence for you. Okay, if you really like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos. And one more thing, in the end I will show you the history also. Okay, try to check the trades. Okay, now what is the next candle? Here I will go with buyers here. Why I am saying I will go with buyers means, maybe the trend came to an end, and here easily you can go with buyers. Why? Because there is a strong candle of sellers, still I didn't see any new low. So I won't go against the trend, because the trend is started from here. So I will respect as of now. If it is a red candle, yeah, I could say that, yeah, still there are sellers interested. But as of now, I didn't see anything like that. So I will continue only with buyers. Why? Because it's a buyer's area. You should check these points whenever you are trading, you will understand. Okay, here if you see, the buyers are entering, but too weak. Okay, it is a buying candle. Because of my entry point and the weak candle, I got lost. Anyways, I will continue the trade. I will again go with buyers. Why? Because here if you notice one thing, the support is too strong, and just now the market wants to break the level. And today I will show you a good example. Does W pattern works in the binary market? This is my question. Maybe I will show you in the end of this video. You will get the answer easily. Does W pattern really works in the binary market? This is my question. Let's see how it will work. Really it will works or not? Because just now I am seeing a W pattern. So we'll check, and I will take 5 minutes trade for you, whether we will win or we will lose, whether it will respect or not. Okay, and which kind of situations we should take, we should consider W pattern. Okay, Here again, I will go with buyers here confidently. Why? Because if you notice one thing, just now you got a shape of W pattern, and already the trend line has been breakout candle, which was a buying candle. You can't see any weakness. There is only a strong candle. So easily you can continue with the buyers here. So that's why. And in the next trade, I will take 5 minutes trade. Whether we will win or not, we'll see. Okay. I will change the time frame. Okay. I will place a trade for 5 minutes from here. Okay. We'll check what will happen. Because most of the people say patterns will work in binary or not. I will show you. Okay, here there is a support area. Support area means where W pattern means it's a U-turn, the trend changing moment. So I have taken with that point only. Here we got win, and that is a 5 minutes trade. Okay, we'll continue in the next chart. Okay, leave the chart. Here, if you notice, can we go with buyers here? Or should I wait? Okay, let me adjust the trend line. Yeah, I think yes, we can go with buyers. Why? Because if you notice, observe the trend line where from the starting where I was plotted, low, high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, and again market reached to the same area where I have placed the trend line. So what you will expect? Yes, you should expect only buyers. And here if you notice, it is my resistance level. Up to this area I could go with easily with buyers, but left side there are more rejections like resistance. If you notice horizontal, there are more resistance. So next trade is 50-50. So if possible, I will check. Okay, as of now the buyers will enter easily. We can win this trade. Okay, again my entry point made me loss. It's okay. Now if possible there is a weakness. Okay, I will try to go with sellers. This candle will be the decider, because left side if you notice there are huge rejections. Maybe market try to break down too sometimes. If it is buying candle, yeah, we can continue with the buyers only. Here, if you check the level, I have adjusted the horizontal level, right? Okay, I will take margin of safety. Yeah, I will take margin of safety. This will be 50-50 chances. Sometimes here in these kind of situations, market will continue. Sometimes market make a head and shoulders pattern or something M pattern type, and obviously it will reverse because there are rejections. So that's why only I have doubt here. But I have taken margin of safety. Even if it is a green candle also, we can win maximum. Why? Because last few candles you have a rejections continuously in the upper side. So easily we can make a win. Yeah, finally I got win. Okay, my entry point saved me. So what is the next candle now? Okay, here I will clear because you may get confusion. I will draw one more time because you need a better clarity. Here I have a, we'll replicate it. Okay. Here you got a resistance and you got a support. Here I have a 50-50. The market made a candle, but there is a weakness and exact at the area only. So I will wait for this candle. Okay, the time is completed. Okay, here if you notice, we have previously taken W pattern trade for 5 minutes. See how really it works. The market made an U-turn and how it is moving. Check, you will understand. See, in the binary also the patterns are working. This is the example. You can check here. Okay, here the buyers are interested. So I will, here also I have doubt because there is no confidence. Let it be. I will go with buyers, but I have 50-50 chances. Why you are saying 50-50 means? There is a momentum, but as of now I can't see any strength in the market, but an uptrend. So that's why only I have followed the momentum. There is no other reason for me. Maybe sometimes it will be red, sometimes it will go easily with buyers only. So these kind of situations, try to avoid the trade maximum if possible, because no new high and these all things. If it was a ranging where you can go with continuously with buyers only, but here 50-50 chances. There is a trend which suggested to go up. These all things will happen. Anyways, we will recover in the next trade. Okay, every time we can't get wins. Okay, finally you got a breakout. Breakout means who will enter? Support level breakout. So I will easily go with buyers here with margin of safety. Okay. And we will check the 5-minute trade which came to an end, and this is my last. Easily we can win this trade. As I said before, if you check, we got a strong momentum W pattern. You are getting clear clarity about this thing. Okay. So whenever you are at a strong level, the formation you should check means you will get these kind of things, means try to grab the opportunity because it may increase the winning opportunities. See how it could be. If I go every time with buyers means I could get easily, but I want to show you the 5 minutes how really works, where particular point works. So that's the reason only I have placed the 5-minute trade. Okay. Maybe I think you got a clarity about W pattern. Okay. In the next video, if possible, I will show you the M pattern too. Okay. Here we got win. Okay. Now what is the next candle? Here we got win. Okay. Here we'll continue. Here, what is the next candle? Yeah, if you notice the wick level where it is coming from, yeah, obviously it's a support area. So what do you will expect? Again, buyers. Here I think the momentum is fast. That's why I'm getting most of the trades are late entries. See how fast it is. So that's why when I'm placing at the right point, it was placing somewhere else. Okay, let it be. This will be the buyer's candle only. Okay, we'll check what will happen here. So whenever you are trading, try to check the levels first of all. First of all, I will share with you one thing. Whenever you open the chart, don't go for trade instantly. Just wait for 5 minutes at least. Check the trend first of all. Add the lines, which means support and resistance. Then wait for the right opportunity and then take trade. Here see, my entry point made me loss again. It's okay. We will recover. It's not a big deal. Okay. Here there is a weakness. This candle will be a selling candle, but I can't see any opportunity. Yeah, here I will confidently go with sellers. Okay. See, there is a level which was plotted before. Easily just now the level has been breakout. So can I expect a selling candle? Yes, with margin of safety. Here in these kind of cases I am confident. Why? Because it's a strong area. See, there are 3 losses. Only late entries only today. One only official loss. Here I am confident. Why? Because left side there is a huge level where the sellers are continuously trying to enter in the market with maximum reversals, not retracements. So easily we can win this trade because the market will touch the previous resistance easily. See, exact it was closed over that area. Okay, we will continue in the previous chart. Here, yes, now we can go with buyers confidently. Last trade. Okay, why I am saying here I can go confidently with buyers means market already the trend line has been breakout, but if you notice left side there is a support level where the market is continuously rejecting to go to the upside. From that area only previous the market has been entered. Again market wants to reach to the top, which means the resistance. So market made a retracement of the red candle. Again it will continue to the top. Okay, I think every trade you have got better clarity and you have understand the points. If you really have doubts, message me. Okay, have a nice day. Here if you check, finally we got win. Okay, here we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Take care. Thank you.